here's some color theory. This is an example of a color wheel. It's just one example. There are many. This is also a color wheel. This one I painted. Within the color wheel, you'll find the primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, which form a triangle, as well as purple or violet, orange, and green, which form another triangle. It includes the colors of the rainbow, if you just remember Roy G. Biv: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. The color wheel is also organized into warm and cool colors if you split it in half. Warm colors are red, orange, and yellow, which remind us of fire or the sun. Cool colors are purple, blue, and green, which remind us of the ocean or grass or trees. If we have the primary colors, we can mix all other colors. Mixing two primary colors will give us a secondary color. So when we mix red and yellow, we are going to get orange. You'll have to play with the amount of each color to add in. Typically there's going to be a little bit more of the lighter color and a little less of the darker color. If you want more of a yellow-orange, add a little bit more yellow. And if you want more of a red-orange, a little bit more red. Just mix in a little at a time until you get the orange you're looking for. Alright, so to review, the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Mixing red with yellow will give us orange. Mixing blue and yellow will give us green. And mixing blue and red will give us purple or violet, which are the secondary colors, purple, orange, and green. As you can see, we have already started to form our color wheel by mixing in acrylic paints. Now if we use white to any color, it's called a tint, and we can make it lighter. Start with white and then mix in a little bit of the color you're looking for. So if you see I'm using red here, I just mix in a tiny bit and I get a very light, kind of like ballet slipper pink. And as I add in more red, the pink will get darker. When we mix in black with a color, it's called a shade. Black is really dark, so all you need is a teeny little bit. But as you can see here, I'm mixing in black with the blue, and it's going to end up turning into like a dark kind of navy blue color. Mixing our own colors gives us the freedom to play with color and get the perfect color that we're looking for our art project. White, gray, brown, and black are considered neutral colors. We don't see these on the color wheel, but they can be used to create tints, shades, and tones of other colors. And some artists prefer to mix their own blacks and browns by mixing colors on the color wheel. So now that we know primary and secondary colors, let's briefly talk about tertiary colors. Those are the in-between colors, like red-orange, yellow-green, blue-green, red-violet, blue-violet. Colors that are close together on the color wheel, like red and orange or orange and yellow, those are called analogous colors. Colors that are far apart or opposite are considered complementary colors, such as orange and blue, or purple and yellow, or green and red. These create high contrast in our artwork. Artists use color and the color wheel in many different ways. It depends on how they want their artwork to feel to viewers. Some artists will only use one color, which we would call monochromatic. They may use different values or lightness or darkness of that color within their piece. Now that you know a little bit about color and color theory, how will you use it in your artwork?